Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. Now, as you can see in today's trading session, we have been all over the place. Very choppy trading here. We did go as low as the 50-day EMA, which is currently at 3,720. Since then, since US markets have opened, we've then seen a slight pullback towards the upside, and we currently find ourselves trading at 3,753. I really like the S&P 500 setup. I think it's my favorite setup out of all three of the indices. That's the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones 30, and the S&P 500, which of course is in front of you. Why? Well, that's because we've already clipped the 50-day EMA. We've come into contact, and as you can see, the bulls have protected this area. So this tells me that, this is the new floor in the market, this 3,700 area. So I'm going to put a black line there. There we go. That is the new floor in this market. We are very well supported in this area, which leaves us a great risk-reward ratio. You could put your stop loss just under this area here and target back up towards the swing highs at around 3,850. Personally, I do believe that this market is going to go towards 3,900 in the medium term. But, this offers a great risk-reward ratio indeed for the S&P 500. I think we're trading in a red today because we had Johnson & Johnson's come out with their vaccine trial. It's the largest vaccination trial in history. I think they vaccinated over 5,000 people from different countries, different races, different genders, and their numbers come in, good for a vaccination trial. However, I think analysts were expecting a higher success rate, and that's because we've been spoiled lately. We've had the Moderna, we've had the Pfizer, we've had the Oxford vaccinations coming, which by the way are 2-jab vaccinations, but they're coming in at 94-95% effective, where the Johnson & Johnson, which is a 1-jab vaccination, only come in at 72% effectiveness in the US and 66% in other countries, such as European countries, for example, such as Africa. So I think people were slightly disappointed because they were really looking to this Johnson & Johnson vaccination to get us out of trouble, because it's very time consuming, it's very costly to do 2 jabs to the whole population of countries. Like, if you think about it, in the US there's over 300 million people living in that country, so effectively they have to give out 600 million jabs, which is very time consuming. So it would be much better if they could just do a 1 jab and then that's it, you're done. But that's why the S&P 500 is seeing some weakness today. However, going into next week, I do believe we will start to see a recovery and trade back up towards the upside. So I'm a bull here, no interest in selling. I'm targeting back towards first 3,800 and then eventually 3,850.